I'm McKel, and today we're making crinkle cookies, and this is A-class cooking.
Add brown and white sugar and butter, both half a cup. Add the eggs or egg substitute.
Peppermint and vanilla extract, both 1 teaspoon. Combine with an electric mixer.
In another bowl, add your dry ingredients.
Action.
Add half a cup of cocoa powder, cup of flour, and your salt and baking soda. Now you want to stir all your dry ingredients together. People say Christmas is all about presents, family, religion, but honestly, they're all idiots. It's about food.
For real.
You can't live without food, and Christmas is all about living, about hope. Then you have to eat food.
No cat.
Add in the wet ingredients. Beat the mixture until it's combined. Add a cup of chocolate chips. Stir the chocolate chips into the batter. The batter is going to be thick and hard to stir, but just keep at it. You got this. Eventually, you'll end up with a batter that looks like this, with the chocolate chips fully incorporated. Wrap the dough tightly.
Place your dough in the fridge for about 3 hours.
Turn the oven on and set it to 350.
Take your pre-chilled dough and roll it into balls.
Roll with granulated sugar.
Powdered sugar, roll generously.
Cook for 13 minutes in the oven. And we're done. Let them cool for 10 minutes.
You have to eat them quick because before you know it, they'll be gone.
Oh, and you stole my cookies!
Man, I can never.